How are you all doing today?
We have something if you are a budding artist, a journaler, or somebody who likes to take notes on your iPad. We have the Bellemond screen protector that is also perfect for note-taking.
Yeah, sent to us by EMI Trading, and we usually don't use a screen protector or something that is Paperlike. And this particular one is supposed to mimic the Kent paper. And Kent paper is really something that artists appreciate. And Kent, you know Kent, don't you?
I absolutely know Kent, coming from the UK.
Sometimes I'm at the peak and other times I'm about to fall. Sometimes I gotta wonder what I'm doing here at all.
Let us know in the comments below if this is something that you would use, if a screen protector, number one, and also if you enjoy drawing on a iPad. This is the first screen protector that does feel or mimic the qualities of a Kent paper, and is then really interesting to sketch artists and any other kind of artist out there.
Yeah, you guys probably know Paperlike, and this is a Japanese product from EMI Trading. As I said, it's called Bellemond, and we've been sent this to us to try out, and we usually don't use that. I took it to a business meeting yesterday on my iPad, and it worked fine, I have to say. I had no issues writing my notes, and it felt nice. What was your experience so far with it?
My experience with it are really good, but I presume we're going to take it out of the box.
Yes, well, we have taken it out of the box. We applied it already. And there are basically the screen protectors in there. You have the cleaning kit in here. You have the card in there and instructions on how to do this. And let's have a look at the steps quickly, right? Okay, you have to follow 3 simple steps. And as you can see, I have my glasses on and you can't beat the clock. Step number 1, remove dust and oil from the display screen.
And step number 2 is removing all residue.
Step number 3, remove tiny dust particles on the surface. Let me take this off. And you have to really make sure that you take your time in applying the whole thing. So make sure you don't have any air bubbles left. Even though you sometimes come up with air bubbles, you can get rid of them afterwards by using the card. That's absolutely doable with the screen protector, but make sure you pay attention and take your time. I did apply this 2 days ago, and I had a business meeting yesterday in town in the city of Munich. I went with my iPad and my drawing application and writing application, and I wrote my notes on that. I had no issues whatsoever. So what was your experience? Tony is the artist in our family, and she draws and sketches all the time. So what is your experience with that Kent-like paper feel?
I am the doodler of the family. When it comes to this and my first feelings of using it, I was actually surprised because it was an instant paper-like experience. It was instantly the noise it makes, the traction of the pen on the iPad itself. You move away from digital artistry into what is more a traditional way of drawing, and even writing notes as well. I felt way more like I was drawing on a piece of paper. And my issue with working digitally was always the traction. It just didn't feel right to me. So when you're using watercolors, for example, you just feel like you are painting with watercolors. It doesn't feel so pen-like and digital in the effect.
So the difference before and after, really, before when you take your Apple Pencil and tap on the screen, it is really glass, right? You can feel it's glass. And now it's kind of, you have this textured film on there, screen protector, right? And then you can tell that this is not glass, right?
It's like pen on paper.
It's like pen on paper. So what's the conclusion?
The conclusion for me personally is I didn't expect much. I was super pleasantly surprised. I was also surprised by the film not jumping out too much at me. But what really, really got me was that I want this on my iPad now.
Okay, so well, we got sent 2, so you can have one word, not word of caution, but one thing I do want to mention is that you will have loss of screen quality when you watch a movie, for example. You will see that this is a protective film on it. But having said that, it is aimed at artists, right? It's not aimed at people who really into the Netflix entertainment part. So if you are into the sketching and drawing, this is actually a good piece of screen protector Paperlike, can't Paperlike protect the film?
Yes, and if you like Jens and just take notes on there,
That was good.
It's
It was good.
absolutely
Yeah.
perfect. Let us know in the comments below if this is something that you would use,
Yeah.
if a screen protector, number one, and also if you enjoy drawing on a iPad.
Do you find it valuable to have a Paperlike screen protector on your iPad Pro?
Thank you for watching. I'm Tony the Card Geek.
Jens here from Space.
See you on the next one.
Peace out.
Sometimes I'm at the peak and other times I'm about to fall. Sometimes I gotta wonder what I'm doing here at all. Sometimes in my mind I just sit here and I'm guessing. How can I find the answers? I don't even got the questions. Sometimes